In this video, I will show you how to find Zone ID in Mobile Legends. To get started, first, open up the Mobile Legends app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into your account so you can access all features. Once you're in the game, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of your screen. Here you are on your profile page. This is where all your important account information is displayed. At the top, you will notice a long string of numbers. This is your user ID. It uniquely identifies your account across all servers. Now, focus on the area just next to that long string. Here lies what we're really after, the Zone ID. It's usually indicated within round brackets and consists of 4 or 5 digits. If you need to share this information or save it for later, simply tap on the Zone ID itself. This action will automatically copy it to your clipboard. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.